Hi students, this is your Pratap sir, mathematics. Already in previous classes we learned that how to constructions of the quadrilateral. First exercise, first problem we discussed, and second exercise, first problem we discussed. Yes or no? Next. Right now we are discussing third exercise. Third exercise, first problem. Third exercise, first problem. See, there is a one problem. GD is equals to 5.5 and DL is equals to 5 centimeters and OL is equals to 7.5 centimeters and OD diagonals, two diagonals are given and three sides are given. Yes sir, already we discussed. Minimum, if we draw any quadrilateral, we needed to minimum 5 individual measurements. Yes or no? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 measurements are there. Yes or no? By using these 5 measurements, we are constructing the quadrilateral. So, generally, first of all, what given information you have to write that. Given that, first of all, you have to write that. Second thing, rough diagram. Second thing is rough diagram. Draw the rough diagram. Draw the rough diagram. That is G D O L 7.5 and 6 diagonal and another diagonal 10 and 5.5 and 7.5. So 6 GL 6 and OD 10 centimeters and GD 5.5 centimeters and DL or LD 5 centimeters. So we have to write the centimeters also. That is a rough diagram. That is a rough diagram. So right now main diagram. Right now main diagram. Right now main diagram. So first step. First of all, you have to take baseline. So OL 7.5 centimeters. OL 7.5 centimeters. So on the scale, you have to draw line segment as a 7.5. Okay, 7.5 from 0 starting. So like that. GOL 7.5 centimeters. Okay, now draw the line segment OL is equals to 7.5 centimeters. 7.5 centimeters. That is the first point. What we are draw the here, same concept you have to write steps of construction. What you are doing here, same you have to write that information. Okay, now see. So first step is draw the OL line segment as 7.5 centimeters. Next step, from L 6 centimeters you have to draw from O to D 10 centimeters you have to draw and with 5 centimeters from L to D you have to draw an arc there. So from O there is a 10 centimeters are there. 10 centimeters are there. So 10 centimeters on the scale you have to take 0 to 10 centimeters like 0 to 10 centimeters like you have to take value of 10 centimeters on the scale. In the same measurements you have to draw an arc with 10 centimeters. With 10 centimeters draw an arc from O. In the same manner, 6 centimeters, 5 centimeters. This is 5 centimeters. So take as a measurements 5 centimeters on scale 0 to 5. 0 to 5. Okay, now. So draw from L to D 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. So put their name as D. Already a rough diagram is there. By using this rough diagram, we have to draw only rough sketch or sketch. Rough sketch is very, very important to draw the construction of this quadrilateral. Okay, na? So first of all, draw the 7.5 centimeters OL, and the second point is draw an arc. Draw an arc from O and L are equals to how many centimeters? From O 10 centimeters, from L 5 centimeters. So 10 centimeters and 5 centimeters. So from O 10 centimeters arc you have to draw. From L 5 centimeters arc you have to draw. That intersecting point name is D. Intersecting point name is intersecting point is D. So D is a name. Okay, na? Join that. So 10 centimeters, 5 centimeters. Okay, na? Same from L to G and D to G with 6 centimeters and 5.5 centimeters. So from D 5.5 centimeters to G. So 5.5 centimeters on the scale, 5.5 centimeters. So take 5.5 centimeters like this. Draw an arc with 5.5 centimeters from the D to G. One point is G is there. In the same manner, from L 6 centimeters you have to draw an arc to G. So from L draw an arc with 6 centimeters. 6 centimeters. So this point is G. This point is G. So write that fourth point. Draw an arc. Draw an arc from D and L are equals to the how much? From D 5 centimeters. 5 centimeters arc. First of all, 5.5 centimeters. From L 6 centimeters. 6 centimeters. So 6 centimeters. That is the fourth point. And join that D to G and O to G. So join OG line segment and GD line segment. Intersecting here, intersecting point is G. Intersecting point is G. And join OG GD. OG GD. So what is concluding? Our required quadrilateral GOLD required quadrilateral will be come. Yes or no? Once again I am saying that Simply, first of all, OL you have to draw with 7.5 centimeters. Okay, na? So again I am telling that OL 7.5 centimeters you have to draw, and from L to D 5 centimeter with 5 centimeter arc you have to draw from here to here, and from O 10 centimeter arc you have to draw. From O 10 centimeter arc you have to draw. Join that 10 centimeters and 5 centimeters. Okay, na? 10 centimeters and 5 centimeters. From L to G, L to this one, draw 6 centimeters arc. Draw 6 centimeters arc from L. From L, you have to draw 6 centimeter arc. Next, from D 5 centimeter arc. From D 5 centimeter arcs you have to draw. Okay, na? Next, so join the D to G. So keep G and OG. So our require GOLD quadrilateral will be come. Steps of construction. First of all, draw the line segment with OL base. OL is equals to 7.5 centimeters. Next, second one, draw an arc from O and L are equals to the 10 centimeters and 5 centimeters. And third one, there is a two arcs are intersecting at one point. That point name is D. That point name is D. Next, draw an arc from D and L are equals to the 5.5 centimeters and 6 centimeters. Again, these two arcs also will be intersecting at a point. That point name is G. Next, joint OG and GD. OG and GD. So our finally require GOLD, gold, nothing but gold. Yes or no? GOLD. So finally we are getting the quadrilateral of GOLD. So this is the construction of this quadrilateral. In that next problem, just roughly I am telling that, just listen that. Just roughly I am telling that, just to listen, and you have to the third exercise, another problem. Third exercise, another problem. Just see, one diagram is there, rough diagram. So SR, PQRS, diagonals are given. So 2.8, so 4.5 and 5 and 4.2 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 measurements are there. So totally 5 measurements is given. So PQ 4.2 centimeters and QS 5 centimeters and QR 3 centimeters and PS 2.8 centimeters and PR 4.5 centimeters. So 2 diagonals are given and 3 measurements are given. Total 5 measurements, individual measurements will given. By using that, we have to construct the quadrilateral. First of all, you have to take base PQ. Just you have to write your own way steps of construction. So third exercise, second problem will discuss again another problem. So we'll discuss just how to construction. Then you have to write your own way steps of constructions. See, base, first of all we have to take base. So PQ, draw PQ 4.2 centimeters. So namely PQ. Yes, first point, draw the PQ as a 4.2 centimeters line segment. Draw and line segment PQ as 4.2 centimeters. Yes or no? That is the first point. After that, with 3 centimeters, draw an arc from Q. From Q, draw an arc with 3 centimeters. Draw an arc with 3 centimeters. So 3 centimeters to take 0 to 3. 0 to 3. So from Q, draw 3 centimeters arc. So 3 centimeters. And from P, 4.5 centimeters arc. So from P 4.5. From P 4.5 to the same. So 0 to 4.5. 0 to 4.5. So P to 4.5. So from here to here 4.5 centimeters, and from here to here 3 centimeters. That intersecting point is R. So first step, draw the line segment 4.2, and second point, from Q, from R, from P and from Q, we are draw an arcs with 4.5 centimeters and 3 centimeters, and each other point of intersection is said to be R. Yes or no? Next. So that is the third step. Coming to fourth step. So there is a measurement 5 centimeters are there. Diagonal. From Q, draw an arc with 5 centimeters, and from P 2.8 centimeters. So from P 2.8 centimeters, from Q 5 centimeters arc you have to draw. So 2.8 on the scale you have to take. 2.8, 0 to 2.8 on the scale you have to take measurement. Same measurement you have to draw. 2.8 measurements. Yes or no? 2.8 measurements. From Q 5 centimeters you have to draw. From Q 5 centimeters. So 0 to 5. 0 to 5. Same measurement from Q. Draw an arc. So that is the fourth step. So what we have to write? From P and from Q, we are draw an arc with 2.8 centimeters and 5 centimeters. That intersecting point name is S. That intersecting point name is S. Okay na? Next, join the PS 2.8 centimeters and join the QS with 5 centimeters and join the SR. Join the SR. What happened? Our required quadrilateral PQRS will become. Yes or no? So first of all you have to write first step, draw the PQ line segment with 4.2 centimeters, and from P and from Q 4.5 centimeters and 3 centimeters arc we have to draw. Second point. And third point, the point of the two arcs intersecting point is name is R. And fourth point is draw 2.8 arc, measurements of the 2.8 arc from P to S and from Q to S 5 centimeters draw it. So that you have to write the steps of construction. Okay, tomorrow we'll last chapter we'll discuss, last session. Thank you.